Andy, you excited? How are you so much colder than we are? Andy, what are we waiting for? Yes! Hello folks and welcome to today's vlog. Andy doing the intro as well. We are at Peterborough Firework Fiesta, which according to their website is one of the top 10 fireworks displays in the whole of the UK. It's at the East of England Arena and we're coming to check out the fireworks. We've never been here before. Well, actually I came to the precursor of this when I was a kid, when it was at Ferry Meadows Country Park. That was like 20 years ago. We're here on the premise that they've got a fair and that's why Andy's here. So we thought we'd come along and check it out. Well, they promised a massive fair on the website. Might have to send them to Nottingham just to help them with the definition of massive, but it's definitely a fair. See in the distance there somewhere, they have now lit the bonfire. Andy, this way. Do you want to come and look at the fire?
No, thank you.
How was that then?
Oh, it crushed me.
He crushed you?
The way it spins, I was like, you'll see gradually through the video, like,
He's learned from experience, he just walked straight round. The wheel bit, wasn't interested at all. Is that good?
yeah. A few more minutes then, maybe.
What's you on? We run into a slight problem. Andy's already asking for fireworks. He's been on every ride he wants to go on, and the fireworks don't start for an hour yet. Now we have to find a way to keep him amused. I think maybe second goes on everything. Is the fire good, Andy?
Yeah, and then the ride.
You want to go back on the rides?
After fireworks.
Well, they're not doing the fireworks just yet. Fireworks are in a little while. Should we go back on some more rides?
Yeah, one more, yeah?
Let's go and do some more rides then. You're filming the fire. You're telling me you can't feel that?
I can now, I couldn't over it. Oh, that's so nice.
Do you want to go on more rides? Should we leave Mummy to toast? Anna's stocking up on some fudge. If we can't stand near the fire, we'll just create some internal insulation with fudge. Who'd have thought fairground fudge would cost £6? We have a slight problem in that we've run out of money and Andy wants to carry on going on rides. So we're hoping if we go in here that looks like a bar type place, there'll be a cash machine. We've blown through £60 in like 40 minutes since we got here. It cost us £25 to get in. This better be the best fireworks in the history of the world. We've found the cash machine queue and we've also found where they have the glow sticks.
Yeah? We call it Andy size.
Pardon?
We call Andy size.
Andy, look! So now you've got a hold of glow stick, have you?
You say that's a bad thing?
Huh?
You say that like a bad thing? You got a bag?
Yeah.
Can you put these in your bag?
I was hoping to eat them. He's managed to squeeze himself into another ride, far too small for him, but when he gets to the top there'll be some awesome footage on his channel. His video will be out at 6 o'clock today, through Andy's eyes. Go check that one out as well. There'll be lots of point of view ride action. Is that good? Is that good?
We want to go to the swing.
We're going on this one, are we? Okay. Those of you who are into Speedway, we're now on the Speedway track. So that's the bonfire back there, there's the fair, and I guess the fireworks go up somewhere around here somewhere. We've actually got some half decent light here. You enjoying being on a Speedway track? Speedway! 5 minutes until kick-off. I've switched to the small camera because in the hope that when they turn off all these floodlights in a minute, it might still pick something up. Because it's better in low light, I don't rate its chances very much. Plus you probably can't hear me anymore. But Anna's dancing to the music. Andy, excited? How are you so much colder than we are? Andy, what are we waiting for? Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for Firework Fiesta 2018, good evening and welcome to the Peterborough Arena. We are Kev and Roz, and we're from Heartbreakfast, and we are delighted to be counting down to those fireworks in the next few moments. All right, boys and girls, please grab hold of the person that you are with, because the floodlights are about to be switched off. So make sure you're close to the people you need to be close to. And floodlights off! And get ready for the fireworks!
Okay, that's pretty dark.
20, 19, 18, 17. Join in with the countdown. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Heart at Peterborough Firework Fiesta. Enjoy the display.
That was awesome. We just got a good 20-minute display. Very cool. I don't know how much you could hear of what I was saying while it was going on, but about halfway through, Andy had been jumping up and down the whole time, and he just got so excited that no warning at all, he just ran off across the track to right at the front in a fence. Yeah, he wanted to be as close as possible, and yeah, it was shaking us as they were going off from the front there. So I think he was just enjoying a full-on sensory experience. That was awesome, very, very cool. There are thousands of people here though, so I don't rate our chances of getting out of the car park anytime soon. What was it?
Drop diesel to seafloor.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, drop down, yeah.
Okay. He did just say good Happy New Year. I was hoping he was going to say it again. He's still convinced that it's now 2019 because we've had the fireworks. We're not going to the Premier Inn. He also thinks he's on holiday because in the toilets in there were showers.
Daddy.
So he's decided we're on holiday. Huh?
That's the funny.
Yes.
Do you know what time it is?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yes.
23:59.
Associates it with something.
Right, we are back to the car, so I think we are going to end the vlog here. Did you enjoy that, Andy?
Yep.
Yeah, good. He did just tell us off camera that tomorrow's video on Through Andy's Eyes must be one video, it must all be out tomorrow. He's been very, very insistent that it's one video and it's all tomorrow. So Andy will have a video out very, very soon. There are cars all around us in all directions. I have no idea how long it's going to take us to get out of this car park. So we'll finish things off now. We've had a good time, haven't we?
Yep.
Chilly, but yes. It's
Yes. If you have enjoyed today's vlog, please make sure you leave a nice big thumbs up on there for us. Subscribe to the channel for more daily vlogs. And thank you very much for watching.